Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to access the H drive and the P drive when using a Mac. When using a Mac, it's a little bit different than using a PC in order to access these drives. On a PC, you might just navigate to the My Computer or to the hard drive and locate the H drive and P drive very easily. On a Mac, however, those drives, we call them the My Documents for the H drive and public HTML for the P drive. And accessing them is a little bit different. So, in our first video, we briefly mentioned the Finder. And the Finder is the first step in accessing these drives. So what you need to do is click on your desktop anywhere outside of a program. So just on the background image anywhere, and you'll notice that that brings up the Finder menu bar here at the very top of our screen. Now to connect to your H drive or your P drive, what you'll need to do is click the word Go, and then cursor down to the very bottom and click on Connect to Server. And this brings up a server address field that you will need to type in the following server address. You will need to type in smb:// cougar, COUGAR, / my documents. Click on the word connect, and this will ask you for your login information. So simply enter your login information as you would logging into any computer on campus and click connect. And it brings up a window that shows all of your documents and files on the H drive. And again, it's called My Documents here on a Mac. So we'll close this window real quick. And you'll notice over here on the right, it mounted an icon that says My Documents. And so if I double click that again, it opens up that window that shows all of the files I have saved on my H drive. Now, to access the P drive, or the public HTML drive, we go through the same process. Click on the word Go, and then click Connect to Server at the very bottom of that menu. And here in the server address field, instead of My Documents at the end, we will be typing public_HTML. So the address for your P drive is smb:// cougar, COUGAR, /public_HTML. We click connect, and it mounts that icon here on the right hand side of our screen, and it also opens up the window that shows everything in our P drive. So I'll close that one more time. So you'll notice I have a My Documents icon and a public HTML icon, and in the next video I'm going to show you exactly how to save your work and your files to these drives to make sure that everything is in the right place before you log out, so you don't lose anything. So when you're all done working on the Mac and you're ready to log off, what you will need to do is disconnect from these drives. And to do that on a Mac, all you need to do is click and hold on one of these drives and drag it down to the bottom of the screen. Notice down here we have a trash can at the bottom right, but when I click and drag one of these drive icons, it turns into an eject button. So I simply drag this icon onto that eject button and let go of my mouse button, and it disconnects from that drive. And I'll do it again one more time for the My Documents, and disconnect from both drives. Now you want to do that before you log off the computer, just to make sure all of your saved documents and files are safe within those drives. So check out the next video on the steps to actually save your work to those drives.